Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English learning video. Today, we are going to learn about the be verb. Be verbs are very common in English. They are used in almost every sentence of daily life. The forms of be verb are present, is, are, am. Past, was, were. Future, will be, shall be. Now let's learn their sentence structures and daily life examples. Present tense. Here is the structure for present tense. Subject plus is rm plus complement. Examples. I am a student. He is a teacher. They are happy. We are friends. You are tired. It is a beautiful day. The book is interesting. The room is clean. The cat is hungry. The shop is open. She is timid. Amna is an apple of her father's eye. The flower is wilted. The children are noisy. My shoes are new. The teacher is kind. He is in the room. She is at home. The weather is hot. This pen is mine. These books are yours. The bus is late. He is not in the office. They are not ready. We are not late. The bus is not full. The mobile is not working. He is not a liar. Am I right? Is she angry? Are you free? Is the door open? Is the tea hot? Is the weather pleasant? Are the children ready for school? Past tense. Here is the structure for past tense. Subject plus was were plus complement. Example. He was on leave. The weather was cold. This pen was mine. She was not well yesterday. We were not free. We were in the class. The movie was not good. The shop was not open yesterday. The answer was not correct. Was I late? Was he your classmate? Were we on time? Future tense. Here is the structure for future tense. Subject plus will be shall be plus complement. Examples. They will be happy. We shall be friends. The cat will be hungry. My shoes will be new. She will be at school. The bus will be late. I will be a doctor one day. I will be ready at 8 p.m. She will be at the party. He will be at the station. The shop will not be open. The book will not be interesting. Will they be happy? Will the food be fresh? Will the exam be easy?